I said no. You cannot get on the yoga mat. I already told you can't get on the yoga mat. You are pressing your luck, aren't you? You're getting awful close. You barely touched it. Don't you do it. Don't you touch the mat. Don't you touch the mat. You did.
He's not gonna show.
Yes, he will, kid. Calm down.
Oh my god, there they are.
Kid, have patience.
What is that thing?
It's a big shoe, kid.
I've missed Justin all day. I'm gonna lick his face 13 times.
Chris has the best belly rubs.
I disagree. Justin doesn't bite his nails.
Chris rubs the whole belly, kid.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's do this thing.
Have patience. We'll let them get close. Make them think we don't miss them. And then give them the best hug. Just do like I do, kid. Turn your head.
I can't help it, Justin!
Oh my god, this kid.
Come on. Don't fall in that hole. No.
Chase, what you got in your mouth, baby? Huh? What's in there? You're a good boy. Oh, there you go. Oh.